Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to know the flow of product surcharge module. This is the module which is used to calculate the price of product as per selected category and add surcharges to the existing cost of product. Suppose if the user adds a surcharge of product in price lists, after that when user create quotation and add product in order lines, surcharges will be automatically added in sales. So let's start. Let's navigate to our database. Now go to sales menu, then configuration and then settings. Here I enable price lists. There is two options. First is for fixed price rule per product and this is for advanced price rule for product. Now I select advanced price rule here. Let's save it. After that go to the price lists. You can also create a new price list, but here I added my existing price list. Now going to edit it, add a line in price rules. Here pop-ups open. Here you have to create your price list item. From here you can apply this price list rule on all product category, product or product variant. As I apply my rule only on product. Here I select my product. Suppose I select acoustic box screens. You can also compute price as fixed price, percentage or a formula, but surcharges are shown in only formulas. As you can see, there is no surcharges in percentage, but there is formula. We have surcharges, surplus charges. Now I have to add surplus charges on this product is 10%. Now I'm going to save it. Here you can see surplus charges added in this product. Now save this. After that create a quotation for this product. Add your customer and add a product which is added in price list rule. Now check the default price of this product. It is the default price of this product, and here is the surplus charges added in this product unit price. Remember one thing, you have to select price list here on which you have to create price rules. Let's suppose I delete this product in order line and I remove the price list. Now again I add a product. See, there is no unit price on this price list, so add a price list and product and then save it. After confirming the quotation, delivery order is created of the sale order. Now validate the delivery order. Here delivery order is created for the sale order. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to sales@kanakinfosystems.com.